Okay, this is our water heater. It's in the garage next to the main water shutoff valve over near the, okay, so this would be the northwest corner. This is our data plate. This is telling us that it's about 2 years old. Actually, it tells us about a 1 year old, I think. 1 to 2 years old. The house is 1 year old. Manufacturer's date, there we go. 22, yeah, about 2 years old. 50 gallons. It's electrical water heater. We see we got our electric bonding. We see that our T&P is insulated. We do not have more than 5 90-degree bends on our temperature pressure relief valve. We've got our care and use manual. Okay. One thing we don't see. Okay. Now, the only thing that I found wrong with this water heater is that this pipe, you can hear the water going in it. Is it stopped? Let's go find out. This pipe is supposed to have an air brake in the same room as the water heater. A lot of times I'll take it into the pan, and then this would be your drain. It's still draining, isn't it? Let's see what we got. Okay, it looks like it's stopped.